Hello YouTube, Campin Woody here. Well, I'm at the Walmart, South Asheville, Airport Road. It's Saturday, December the 8th, Saturday evening. The winter storm has finally got here. It started about 1 o'clock this afternoon, sleeting. But now you see the snow's covering the Walmart parking lot. I'll be here for a couple of days. Still waiting on that quarter glass to come in. So I'll be doing a couple of videos as this progresses. So y'all stay with me, and I'll see y'all on the other side when I get ready to post everything. Okay, I'm getting settled in for the evening. I'm inside my van here. You can see I got my reflectix up on my windows. I don't have to have heat because of it. You know, of course, like I said, I'm a good sized, short, stocky feller, and I got on sweatpants, sweatshirt, an extra t-shirt. But it keeps it nice and warm in here, just my body heat and the reflectix. Not only does it keep the heat out in the summertime, you know, it keeps it cool inside, but in the wintertime it does the reverse. Keeps the cold out, and the reflectix reflects the heat off of my body in here. So you know, personally, I don't need no heater, and if I did, I'll get up there, crank up the engine. It's snowing pretty good outside right now, so you know, for now I'm gonna end it right here, and we'll catch y'all in the morning on the next side of the video. Let y'all see what it looks like. I'll see y'all soon. Okay, YouTube, it's about 3:30 in the morning, Sunday morning now, the 9th. Snow's still coming down, about 6 inches on the ground so far. So, I am going to be here for the long haul. So we'll catch y'all again here in a little bit. The Walmart parking lot, they have got people out here scraping the parking lot, but it's getting pretty good out here. Well, good evening, YouTube. How y'all doing? Campin Woody here. Well, I showed you what it was like there in Asheville last night, and in the middle of the morning, or middle of the night, I decided to get out of town. It was getting pretty deep there where I was at the Walmart, South Asheville. It took me quite a while to get over here where I'm at now. I'm at my daughter's house in Bryson City, and I hope you enjoyed the videos. If you like them, subscribe to my channel. I appreciate each and every one of y'all. So hit the little bell and it'll remind you every time I get a new video. For now, Campin Woody and Nebo here, Bryson City, North Carolina. We'll see y'all in a few days.